Hey guys, it's me again. I'm gonna get this video to show you guys that our opponents flooded me on our second match. On our second match, sorry. I'm gonna show you guys that I can't get online. You guys can see it's not letting me get online. Show you guys. I'm gonna make a test, connection test. I got my cable directly. I'm gonna show you guys right there. My PS3 and the cable's direct. So you guys can see, they flooded me. I can't even, as you guys can see, succeeded but failed internet connection. There's the time and the date. Our opponent's name were a monster, and the other one was I don't think I got his name. Here he was the one monster. He's the one. He's the one. And the other one was Pro Shadow. I'm doing this video to show you guys that I can't get online. They flooded me. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Look at it. I don't got internet. They flooded me on second map. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.